Hi friends, welcome to Embedded C. In this video, we will understand the transmitting and receiving of messages in CAN protocol. This is the fourth video of our CAN protocol tutorials. If you haven't watched our videos about CAN protocol, there is a link available in the description. Also, a card will appear here. Let's move to this video. First, we will start with receiving a message in CAN protocol. Receiving a message. Once the initialization is done and it is waiting for message to be received. If the message is received, check for received messages has any errors. If it has any errors, discard the message by sending the error frame. If it doesn't have any error, then check for us the message is received of interest. Match found on filters and masks. It is only for identifiers. If no, then discard the message. If yes, then transfer message to corresponding receive buffer. Then let's move to transmitting a message in CAN. Once the initialization is done, check for bus idle. If bus is not idle, then check again. Wait until the bus is free. Transmit message to all nodes. Message received without any errors by all nodes. If yes, then check for bus idle again. If no, then discard the transmission and resend the message. Okay, wait, this is not that much simple when multiple nodes transmit at the same time. That's why we have arbitration at this end. We have done a separate video about arbitration. You can refer it by the icon here. So the highest priority message will be transferred first in the arbitration. So lowest the message ID has the highest priority. We have come to the end of this video. Thanks for watching.
If you have any queries or suggestion, please post it in the comments. If you really like this video, please hit the like button. If you want to get more updates or more videos like this, please subscribe to our channel.